Alright, welcome back to Jason Design Shop, where today we are going to make a giant whale shark for VBS. Let's get started. Alright, so start out with a torch on PVC pipe. Did you know you can get it warm and it just bends like flabby rubber? Pretty cool stuff. And add some fittings to the ends of those pieces and we can lock it all together lengthwise, and we create a structure. Add some long pieces back there for the tail. Hey, if you're enjoying this, give it a thumbs up. It's pretty cool stuff. Then I wrap the whole thing in metal mesh. The stuff is pretty stiff, right? And so wore our hands out snipping it in order to overlap and make it fold and become round. And that's what we spent a lot of time doing, getting these pieces to be round and cutting a lot. And then we sewed them up, and finally the paper mache part came in, and my kids helped me. One sheet, I think we did 2 layers of newspaper basically over the whole thing, in little pieces, and finally add the eyes, and had to flip it over to do the whole bottom. Then we did the fins. I did those separately, and the gills and the ribs going down the side, so we had to add the ribs to the other side here, and then spray paint the whole thing whale gray. And then I got an airbrush and I started making little dots to big dots. They got a lot on the front, and this took quite a while, but looks so cool. It finishes it off with these little dot dashes there, and we have to deliver it in the big truck, and that's how much it stuck out. And in its final location, it looks amazing. Hope you enjoy that, guys.